Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to another Roblox video. In today's Roblox video, we're gonna be playing RPG World. It's a pretty fun game. You guys should go try it out for yourself. I will put the link of the game in the description. Yeah. So you should try this game out. And it's really fun, so let's get into the game. I'm gonna have to do a cutscene here, guys. In 1 second. Alright, guys, I'm back. So yeah. Let me just put the link. Okay. Yeah, you should really try it out for yourself. Alright. As you can see, I'm pretty open in this game. So I'm just gonna put this in the chat. Oh my gosh. At the stone. No, but you should look in the description. Or just enter in Roblox games and then Captain Death. I'm so close to the jungle. I do have both. When we get to 40 million coins, no, 40 billion coins, I will unlock the video. Kinda not at 40 million, but who cares? Let's just, we'll zoom out. 40 billion. Just give you a second. How do you change that? Wow. What's going on? Okay. So I get my reward thing? No. 464. Let me see, do I have any trails? I'm actually gonna pause when I get the new air. Yes, we're back. Okay, guys, for the moment, 3, 2, 1. That gives you a lot. I wonder how much the boss That's the Lion King. Jeez, that guy. That guy. They're like, oh my gosh. That is hard. We're gonna need a better weapon. Let's see. I have the laser. I need the laser slice. Sure. Oh, I dropped some gems. What am I gonna do with all these gems? Alright guys, I'm gonna have to stop the video here. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications.